in order to block access to mobile data for specific apps on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you can do is you can go to the security app. There we go. We're gonna go all the way down, and once you are at the bottom, we need to swipe up in order to open the toolbox, and we're gonna go to data usage. Now in here, in the data usage, you should be able to find the manage network connection option. In here we have mobile data for SIM 1, you might also have mobile data for SIM 2, if you have SIM 2 of course, and we have Wi-Fi. So in my case I'm using SIM 1 for mobile data, and what I can do is I can decide which apps should have disabled the access to mobile data for that SIM. There we go. So this is how it works. We can easily turn it off in here. There we go. We can also go through system apps as well, in case you wanted to do that. There we go. So that's pretty much it. So we can turn off the access to specific apps to mobile data in here. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.